Welcome, brownie lovers and gluten-free friends. We are down to the final 3 gluten-free brownie mixes out of 11, and all those other reviews are out there. And here's that big old stack already made over there on the left. So today, let's pick this one over here. Let's pick Swerve. It says it should be a fudge brownie mix. 15 grams net carbs, gluten-free, and it is part of the Whole Earth Foods brands. Let's bake it up, give it a taste test, and see how it turns out. Here we go. To make Swerve gluten-free fudge brownies, we need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons water, and half a cup of melted butter. Let's get that mixed up in the bowl and see how it looks. Lightly melted butter, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons water, and a whole bag of brownie mix. Here we go. There we go, all nicely mixed up. It is quite super thick. Yeah, not runny at all. It feels a little bit grainy. It's white rice flour, though. It's not almond. And look at this. This is less than half the bowl. This is interesting. This is a very small batch. That's probably why it calls for an 8x8 greased pan, which I don't have. We've been using 9x9 the whole time. So we'll get this in the same pan we've been using for all of them. Here we go. Nicely in the pan. Let's give it the old, oh my word, shake test. I could turn that upside down and it's not coming out. Okay, feels heavy too. And interesting, so of course, I like the spatula and it tasted gritty, but this is rice flour and those have been really smooth. So I double checked the sugar content, and interesting, it's only 9 grams of sugar. And of that, 5 is erythritol. So they should not come out too sweet. But let's get these in the oven. In the oven at 350 for 28 to 33 minutes. Let's go. So at 27 minutes, they're actually done. Did the fork test. It came out super incredibly clean. And they look like art. They look wonderful. They smell great. So now they have to cool and we'll do the taste test. Well, this is definitely interesting. They had to come out with a great big spatula. That was the only way they were going to come out, despite being very well greased. I mean, still, look at the amount of grease in there. Okay, so this said it wanted an 8x8 pan, and that may be part of it because I only have 9x9. These are pretty thick for wanting a thicker pan. So let's get a good sized chunk and let's give it a taste test. Okay, next observation. See all these crumbles everywhere that have fallen off? They're quite cake-like, light and fluffy, and these are supposed to be fudge brownies. So let's take a piece and give it a taste test. Uh-oh, won't even stick to the fork. Yeah, okay, hang on. Oh boy. Have to go like this to get it. Well, it's not horrible, but it's definitely not top 3. It's more of a cake-like consistency now. Of course, these are always better on the second day after they sat overnight. But let's see, where does this come out in the stack up? Okay, here is the Swerve, and here are the ones tested so far. Bottom and next up, Swerve is going to go on top of Pamela's. It beat all those out, but 1, 2, 3, 4 in front of it. So it's coming in number 5. Live G Free is still number 1. Arthur's is still number 2. Namaste is still number 3. And 365 is 4, followed by Swerve now. Hope this helped. See you on the next one.